చెప్పాలిగా ఎటువంటి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారా?
డాక్యుమెంట్ చూసాం, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కొన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అకౌంట్ నేను ప్రిపేర్ చేశాను డాక్యుమెంట్.
ఏంటి డౌట్స్?
What is short pay and that like so what explanation exactly short pay and ఏంటి?
షార్ట్ అని చెప్పి కదా.
The claim to ask for seek obtain by which for that right first when the claim is generated, then the claim will be approved from account receivables support services department. So if you are doing any claim, then we need to get the approval from account receivable. So what is the use of that approval? That means for what purpose then you will approve that? Is there any range for
while uploading claims, you should approve the claim from CFS department. Then only you can use the claim.
Okay. So you mean to say the short pay is there, right? Short pay is nothing but the some amount amount we need to pay. For example, the loan might be $540, but the loans plus back taxes and penalties might be $567. Where the sale value might be $540. Sale value means the exact value without taxes. That's what it means. Equal to the loan amount, but less than the debts must be cleared. For the most part, these semantics, the short pay because when there is more property is worth, okay, not debit claim. A request to close credit adjustments, for example, invoice is 500. HPG gave credit adjustment with 50 for damaging happens while shipment. Okay, will shipment adjustments give credit adjustments, but physically this $50 will not deduct from customer account to the invoice 500. So if you want to use the 50, then you need to create a debit claim for that invoice and close adjustments. So what physically 50 rupees will not be deduct from your account?
It will not physically deduct from your account. Generally, if you transfer some amount from your account to another account, the money will transfer physically to the other customer. But here it will not transfer the physical amount.
The same will be adjusted in the next.
You can use that amount only.
Okay. So next time, if you can use that amount, or otherwise you need to create a debit claim for invoice.
Yes.
Close the adjustment. Close means.
Is closing. If any is open status, then you apply this amount, then you can close the any open transaction.
And what are the credit claim? Credit claim requesting to close return adjustments. For example, invoice is 500, customer paid full amount. Afterwards, customer returns some quantity with 100 rupees amount. He paid 500, and again afterwards, why you will return some quantity 100 rupees amount, dollar amount?
Invoice 500, customer paid
full amount.
Afterwards, customer returns some quantity with 100 amount. Then compensation need to see 100 amount return back to customer. If you after paying the full payment of any invoice, if you requested some amount to get back to your account,
why will that
in some situations?
Okay, and what type of situations will be
What type of situations? For example, in your customer you have two invoices. One is with 500 and another one is with 100 amount. First you pay full payment, you made the full payment of $500. So then afterwards you think that I will pay 400 to the one invoice, and remaining invoice, the other invoice you want to close the invoice.
So the
100
amount.
Then you can request the HBG give back to the $100 amount, $100 amount to your account. Then you will close the using that amount. Then you will close the other $100 amount.
Okay.
Again you have remaining amount. You need to pay 100. First invoice is 500. You will pay full payment 500, and then you requested the 100 back to 100 amount to return back. You use that amount and you close the other amount. Still you have 100 balance for the first invoice. In that situation, you request for the credit line.
Okay. So later on customer request for the okay. Please continue. Transaction codes are done there. What are the transaction codes you told that? 01A for this one claim A. It's very useful for that actually. Very prepared.
It is prepared long back.
Long back.
Previously 1 year back. I think.
ये होस्ट फाइल में ऐड करने से भी देना ट्राई
For the accessing the Sterling web application, does we need to copy that IP, that's hostless IP, in our host file? Does it require for to accessing that application?
Yes. It's required.
It's required, right?
And port కూడా enable అవ్వాలండి
3000 port is there. That is also we need to
2000 ports should be enabled.
from this.
ఫ్రమ్ ది సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సిఎస్ నుంచి ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలా వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేది కాక మన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలా
And that means Alliance the IT team should enable that 3000 port.
In our internet we cannot access it.
No.
Now using a dongle or we cannot access those servers.
మరి వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేది యాక్సెస్ దేనికి ఇస్తారు
We could here
Just there is permissions
హెచ్పి వాట్ పర్మిషన్స్ హూ
to access the application, to access Sterling application.
5 members team ఉన్నాము సే వీ రిక్వెస్టెడ్ ఫర్ యాక్సెస్ దట్ యూఆర్ఎల్ దెన్ లైక్ వాళ్ళు ఏ క్రైటీరియా పైన మనకి యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తారు సే
To enter into the application.
అంటే
You provide the access.
మన పోస్ట్ తీసుకొని ఇస్తారా లేకపోతే వాళ్ళు అది ముందే అడగాలి కదా యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు
Access ఇచ్చేప్పుడు
అలియన్స్ నెట్వర్క్
No, actually 3000 port is their port, right? HPC port.
HPC
How can
port.
these people, our IT people can enable that port? Because all the port is belongs to HPC. How then local IT team can enable that?
మన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలన్నా
మన 3000 port ఎలా ఉంటది మన దగ్గర కూడా
no,
3000 port.
there is something because they said you identify by 90% from your side. So I think there has to be communication with you.
first you need to
Our
access the
network
server.
and their network both should talk. We'll go back and talk to them.
డేటాబేస్ అవసరం లేదు కదండి క్లోజ్ చేస్తారా క్లోజ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ డిస్ట్రో
స్లో అయిపోతుందా? So now we are showing what you are showing now. Customer maintenance.
Yesterday we used the cash application screen closing the invoices.
Yeah.
For this, first you ingested the invoice, ingested the payment to the AR screens. Then you use that payment and you are trying to close the invoices. But in the AR customer maintenance screen, you can use the existing amount in the account. Using that existing amount, and you can close the invoices.
not only through the
Ingesting that cash also
directly existing amount.
Directly existing. Any of the ingested amount should be coming into this AR customer maintenance screen also.
Okay. So already existing one only we are trying this right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, this account has this account balance, this much of amount,
Okay.
$81,000. So using this amount, you can close all these invoices. See the total invoice total value is $20,000. You can use this payment and you can directly close the invoices. So this is the claim total on this particular account. This is credit adjustment total. Lock the screen. See, this invoice amount is $549.88. Here the selected total is $549.88. You are trying to close this invoice using the existing amount. In this scenario, while closing this this invoice, the selected total should be 0.
Why?
After
closing the invoice, then it comes 0, right?
Now you are selecting $549.88. You are trying to close this invoice.
Okay.
So the selected total should be 0. That means the applied amount should be matched with the set amount. Then the selected total is 0. So I am selecting 549.88.
So the even how much this account is, I mean how much it is having the
81,000.
81,000.
81,000 is the balance, means there is a cash available?
Cash available in this account.
Okay.
So these are all the payment modes. So using this $200 amount.
We'll stay a bit longer.
Yeah, Tomorrow actually we have a constraint, Shiva.
See,
We
the
have our
tot-
annual day tomorrow. So it would want to be a little. I have not spoken to Krishna yet, but the cab guys have some constraint.
Okay. See, the invoice amount is 549.88. So I am trying to close the invoice. For this, I am selecting $200 amount to apply this to closing this 549.88. But the selected total is 349. That means 549.88 minus 200. Remaining is 349.88. Not understood? The actual invoice amount is 549.88.
Yeah.
So you need to close this amount.
Okay.
So for this, the selected total amount should be 0. That means the applied amount should match with the invoice 549.88. But I am selecting $200 amount. So remaining amount is 349.88.
You're changing the scenario now? You're into different scenario?
That is different. This is different.
Yeah,
Cash
that's what-
application screen is different. This is
No,
different.
actually ఇంతకుముందు మీరు
This screen is different,
No,
previous
screen
screen
is
is different, right? So this where does the screen comes?
Yeah, transfer maintenance.
No, that is no. Earlier 549 what you selected,
Hmm.
that was that in which screen it is 549.
లేదండి మీరు చెప్పిన
Next one is
549
549 from down.
లైక్ మీ సబ్ టోటల్ జీరో కావాలన్నారు బట్ మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన అక్కడ హైలైట్ అవుతుంది కదా 549
549 first I selected $549 amount.
Yeah.
Again I am selecting 200. I am trying to apply 200 amount to the 549.8. The remaining is 349.
In the same screen only you applied
The same.
549.
నావిగేషన్ ఎట్లా చేశారండి
Navigation
But when you applied for 549,
No, actually
it was not showing 0, right?
మీరు నావిగేషన్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు కన్ఫ్యూజన్
Same screen. First I selected the invoice.
Hmm.
Next, see where it is.
And you selected the invoice
Selected the invoice.
and which button you play? Click down this in the downward.
This
down.
one. This is the invoice.
Yeah.
ఓ ఇట్స్
I am selected. I select 549.
yes sir
It came down. Huh?
Yeah. Then it shows the selected total 549.88.
Ah.
So I am trying to pay the invoice.
ఓకే
I am trying to pay the $549.88.
ఓకే
But I am selected $200 amount. So remaining amount is 349.80.
where is the 200
This is count down.
oh that is a cap
Cash. That is the cash.
okay got it
Yeah, I am selected $200 amount. This is the cash. The transaction code is 50.
So randomly you selected 200, right? Just there is any
Yes.
specific reason. So randomly selected 200 amount.
Randomly
So out of
selected.
that 549, the 200 means remaining amount will
349.
will be highlighted there.
Yes, will be highlighting selected total amount.
Okay.
So now I am trying to apply the payment.
How do you get these records here?
That is the cash, Vandana.
Okay.
That is ingested from the cash module.
Okay. So we have to apply among these only then?
Yes. You can use the credit adjustments also in this screen.
it has both
Both the debit and credit should see. Selected total is not equal to 0. Cannot use this functionality.
oh okay
So you should apply the full payment.
Okay. Partial payment is not allowed.
Not allowed. Partial payment is allowed, but while trying to apply the full payment, the selected total should be 0.
Okay. So
So
now,
now I am selected the remaining amount 349.88.
because the sum of these two will come around that
Yes.
one. No? Okay.
See, now the selected total is 0.
0. Okay.
So I am applying full payment of the invoice.
But already you have 3 invoices, right?
One
so by
invoice.
clubbing, no.
That is the invoice. 01 is the invoice. This 50 is the cash.
So how do you recognize that cash? That means is there any trans code is there?
Yeah, 50 is the cash payment.
Cash payment. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
55A is the credit adjustments.
Yes.
41 is the adjustments.
Yeah, it's still.
Yeah, SAD means sales adjustment.
Okay.
This is also adjustment to credit. See.
Okay.
If you unselect this and if you select the 549.88,
No.
it should.
Directly you can zero as right 549, but why you are selecting two cash?
No, I'm saying giving the example.
Example. Okay.
Yes.
Fine, fine.
But it was
You
not
can directly
showing-
select the 549
Hmm.
and you can close it.
it was not showing 0, right?
Yeah, it's showing 0. Select total is 0 now.
No. Select the 549.88.
You can directly select 549.88. Then it automatically 0.
Was not showing.
The cash is matched with the invoice.
No, he's telling that it was not showing
Not
zero.
showing zero.
Just select it.
Yeah.
Select it. This
This one also.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, unselect this both. Just unselect this.
See, the selected total is 549 I am 19 my amount. You can unselect this and you can apply this.
No, it will show zero.
It shows
Right?
0. The amount should be matched with the invoice. So that's why I am selected the two cash payments. And now you can apply. You go to your customer inquiry screen.
సార్ ఇక్కడ ఏసీ పెంచాలంటే ఏమన్నా
Tracing, huh?
మామూలుగా ఎవరైనా రిసెప్షన్ అడుగుతుంది
Reception. See, the invoice is closed.
Yes.
This is the original invoice and you applied this much of amount 349 200. It's equal to 549.88. Network going కదా.
అలా వస్తుంది
AR is only to close the
To apply the
cash.
Just cash and then closing the invoice. No?
To apply the payments, that's all.
this is the accounts.
Apply.
This is the payment maintenance.
Payment account, yeah.
Account receivable, account payable. Receive the account and you pay the account, pay the invoices.
Followed by unionization, system by
So the invoice total is 681.80. Applied
invoice total is 20,341, right? Okay, this one, okay.
681.
Okay. So now you're applying.
That is the full payment. Now I am applying the short pay.
Okay.
To do
$400.
this is the way, sir. Just you need to populate the data on the amount applied column.
Into the
Short payment చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ
Amount applied
Apply the-
same screen, but you need to apply amount here, right? See. Okay.
the balance is 281.
Hmm.
The selected total is 400.
So what are the amount you applied? That will populate there, huh? 400. Okay. So balance 281. Okay. So now transaction code you need to mention, huh? So create claim, you're claiming or create short pay, right?
Claim. First time generate the claim.
So first we need the claim. Okay. So those who are from BCom guy, commerce guy, they can easily handle this,
They can
right?
easily handle it.
Financial, SAP FICO.
ఏమని సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనకు బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ తెలిసిన బ్యాలెన్స్
అసలు ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి అంట అదే
అది కూడా కరెక్ట్ ఫినాన్స్
claim number anything we can write, amount is 281.80. Amount means the balance amount, right?
The balance amount.
So transaction code 04. Okay. The transaction code should be updated here, right?
Don't be named.
Well, it will not auto-populate.
You will auto-populate the original invoice number.
First we need to create claim, after that we need to create short pay.
I'm confusing it.
Confusing.
cannot sleep for 10 minutes.
Hmm?
You fell asleep for a minute.
Not now. Whenever then I feel
It's taking your session.
not now, guys.
And when Krishna comes, he will take it. He will asleep.
He's observing.
Yesterday, yeah.
Yeah.
I think in IPL, when Krishna is around, systems that time it becomes slower.
Hmm.
We should ask him, right?
ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టలేదు నువ్వు
Full ఉంది.
లేదు ఛార్జింగ్ పెడితేనే పడుకోవాలి
సినిమాకి వెళ్తున్నారా?
వెళ్ళాలి రిజర్వేషన్ చేయించాలి బిగ్ సినిమాస్
మీరు సార్
ఈ సినిమా
రమయ్య వస్తారా?
నువ్వు వెళ్ళట్లేదు
మీరు ఓన్లీ
మీరు
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ సార్?
అదేం లేదు, ఫ్యామిలీ కదా.
దసరా గురగట్టదు
ఇక్కడ అసలు ఇంట్లో లేదనుకుంటా ఎదుగుంటా ఇక్కడ ఎయిర్ లేదు కొంచెం ఏసీ చేస్తాను.
అసలు ఏం
I will tell you tomorrow regarding short pay.
Okay.
To check. Because the claim and the short pay both are in open status. Why it is
ఓకే
in the open status? Tomorrow I will explain the short pay. So create claim. Create claim is nothing but the cash application screen. The same scenario. Repeat.
ఇప్పుడు we have seen all these functionalities in cash application also.
Only two functionalities is there. One is the trade claim and trade short pay.
Full payment కూడా అక్కడ మనం we have seen.
Full payment is there, but you there first you need to ingest the amount. Here you using the existing account balance.
From the account, but again selected
those are already ingested.
But we didn't pick any records that those indicate they are from the account balance. But mere pictures in the
The cash is already ingested into the AR. So now you are using that cash. That is the account balance. So using this amount, and you are trying to close in the invoices. Here you can also use the adjustments. Create adjustment amount, and you can close the claims.
There is that other screen also only.
Other screen also it's not possible to close the claim with the adjustment in the cash application screen.
Those I mean you will see records only after ingesting into cash application. But we here is the account balance.
Account balance.
where like cash or
All the transactions in the cash application is flowing into this application.
This screen.
But here you can close the claim with the adjustment. It's not possible in the cash application screen. It's only for creating the claims.
బుక్ ల్యాప్టాప్ బ్యాగ్లో బుక్ నోట్ బ్యాగ్.
You know the create claim, how it will create the claim.
So just now you showed it, right? Claim.
Yes. It is same as the cash application screen. Now I am creating the journals to the particular
today chairs
invoice.
there. కూర్చుంటావా ఏమో వాస్తు ఇక్కడ బాగుంది అనిపిస్తుంది. అదేమైంది మళ్ళీ ఆ మిషన్ యూజ్ చేయడం లేదు. రూపాయలు ఏదో చేస్తున్నాడు మ్యాజిక్.
నేనేం చేయలేదు.
దాంట్లో చేయొచ్చు కదా.
ఒకసారి ఓపెన్లో ఉన్నాయి వచ్చి స్టార్ట్ చేసి
మీరు అసలు అది రెడీ చేసి పెట్టాలిగా. क्या वो बनना फिर इस सिस्टम पे कर रहे हैं हम लोग और 3 सिस्टम के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. हम लोग फिर से लैपटॉप लाके अपना लैपटॉप पे करेंगे, उसमें नहीं करेंगे. उस पे करो ना जल्दी.
అందులో మానిటర్ ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
శివ నంబర్ చెప్పండి.
9521 నిన్న 4 దీన్ని కనెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి మానిటర్
9521 కదా. మేడం శివ ఉన్నారా?
Hello.
Shiva.
Yeah, here.
Hey, can you just call this guy Lochan and ask him to get this done? No, the monitor ఇంకా రీప్లేస్ చేయలేదు.
Okay.
ఒకసారి లేకపోతే వాడు ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ ఇవ్వండి లోచన్ది.
9449.
9449. ఓకే రైట్ అండి.
Hello.
హలో
Hello.
లోచన్.
Lochan is not there.
హూస్ దిస్?
Gopal.
గోపాల్. ఇక్కడ ఈ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ రూమ్ లో సాలిటైర్ లో ఈ మానిటర్
మానిటర్ డిస్ప్లే రావట్లేదా?
డిస్ప్లే అంటే కింద మనకి విజిఏ కార్డ్ నుంచి కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. అలా పట్టుకుని ఉంటే వస్తుంది, వదిలేస్తుంటే పోతుంది.
ఒకసారి జ్యోతి చెప్తావా?
నంబర్ ఎంత?
9352.
ఓకే రైట్.
టాప్ కాల్స్.
టాప్ కాల్స్. మేడం కృష్ణారావు అంటారు మేడం. మమ్మల్ని కృష్ణారావు అంటారు మేడం. ఇంతకు ముందు కంపెనీ చేసేవారు మేడం. ఇది మానిటర్ది ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, నిన్న మీరు పంపిస్తానన్నారు. ఇదే ఈ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ రూమ్ లో టార్కాయిస్ అది విజిఏ కార్డ్ నుంచి కనెక్షన్ కొద్దిగా పట్టుకుని ఉంటే వస్తుంది, వదిలేస్తుంటే పోతుంది, డిస్ప్లే రావడంలా.
అవునా, నేను చూసాను ఇప్పుడు పంపిస్తా బాయ్ రాగానే.
ఓకే మేడం.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను తనకి శివకి, నేను పంపిస్తా.
సరే మేడం. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
పల్లవి అండి.
పల్లవి అక్కడ ఉంది. పల్లవి మానేసి అప్పుడు నెలలు అవుతాను. మీరు అసలు
మొన్న
నాకన్నా స్లో. మీరు మానేసి ఆవిడ వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
1 month ఏం చూస్తున్నాను.
అదే 15 days అయింది. చాలా ఫాస్ట్ అండి. డెలివరీ వాళ్ళే స్లో, మిగిలిన అందరూ ఫాస్ట్. మీరేం మీరు మాట్లాడలేదా?
లేదు.
ఎందుకు?
31st వరకు ఉన్నారు.
నిన్నే జీవన్ ఉందా?
లేదు.
జీవన్ లేదా? అయ్యా బాగుండేది అంటే. సరే పర్లేదు.
November 1st ఇచ్చాడు లాస్ట్ డే.
November 1st తీసుకోండి.
మెయిల్ పెట్టాను. November 1st హాలిడే కదా అని నేను పెట్టాను. రిప్లై రాలేదు.
ఒక రోజు ముందు ఉంటే కూడా బాగుండేది. సరే పర్లేదు. నాకు మొహాలు చూసుకోకండి.
Who is seeing what?
All are seeing you.
Baby.
मैडम वो एलियास आईडी में बहुत लोग हैं.
Sir, that's what I realized. I told everybody else, please.
I
Sir,
told-
अभी फंस गया उस मामले में देखिए.
Cool.
He replied to that email. He thought just हम लोग ही हैं. That's why he said, with this here. How will he know it's going to discard? And Arif is missing. I told you that day. If you're adding others, please add Arif also.
नहीं
अलग से एक और-
आरिफ का आई हैव एडेड लिटिल लेट.
हाँ, because फिर वो अलग से आएगा वो सब है।
उसका प्रॉब्लम अलग है, उसका प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा है.
Why should those people be the leaders? हम एक इंडिविजुअल फिर और बनाएंगे.
रहने दो. The other day these guys have raised it as an escalation. वो बहुत बड़ा escalation. परसों कॉल पे I know we should be part of that. It doesn't make any sense.
We interact with so many false things already.
So, let it go after 5